Definitely glad that you took the leap of faith. There is always that element, but that you get to see we are real. We are going to stand behind you, and we care a whole hell of a lot, and we want you to win. What would you say to somebody who's on the sideline, who's considering the ride along tour, which I think is underrated? I think so many people sleep on that element until they do it. But people who are just on the fence, is this real? Should I just do this course? Is this just another talking head? What would you say to them?
So I would definitely recommend, as an additive, if you're considering doing boots on the ground, you have to do a ride along. I think that's a precursor to your win, because what is the point of going into a space and not understanding what are the different dynamics that can actually happen? And so what you get is a nice pool of dynamics of various properties in various neighborhoods in various stages. And you get access to Brian during that entire ride along to ask questions, to gain insights. And now you're seeing it from you're getting almost the value of the mentorship and the value of just understanding the neighborhoods that are there, and then understanding the different phases of construction or rehab. That is something that when you put those three things together, it's a little bit worth more. It's actually worth more than the money you're paying. So
It's
I'd
a lot of
recommend
value.
anyone to do it.